Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am doing a bubble butt workout. The reason I'm doing this is because you guys know I lost so much weight. I lost over 10 kgs, which means I've lost so much weight, and obviously I've also lost weight around my butt area. I wasn't anticipating that, but you guys already know that you cannot spot reduce fat, so if you're losing fat on your body, you're going to lose it everywhere. So I feel like I've lost so much weight around my butt area, so that's why I'm trying to gain a bit of weight around that side, because summer is coming and I want a round bubble butt, a big one like the way that I used to have it. I am looking for that. I wanted round and I wanted fluffy and I wanted big, so that's what I'm trying to do with these workouts. Apparently this workout works, so let's try it. This workout, you guys, is by Daisy Keech and it is a bubble butt workout, so hopefully it works out. And I want it to work. It should really work out, like literally I want it to work out. So what I'm gonna do with this video, I'm gonna do day 1 and I'm also gonna do day 7. I'm not gonna do like day 1, day 2, day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because I don't want to bore you with this video. So I'm going to do day 1 and then I'm going to do day 7, but we're going to see, I'm going to measure myself so that you guys know my before and after, so that we know if this workout works. So I think I'm going to do it in the morning and also in the evening as well, so that we can see if it really works. So I'm going to do it 14 times in a space of 7 days. So hopefully it works out. I'm hoping it will work out. People say it works, so I'm hoping that it works out for me too. And I am on the side at the moment. Let me turn around. So this is me standing side by side, I guess. This is me standing side by side. Let me try opening my legs. Okay, I've opened my legs. That's how I look at the moment. But yeah, if I'm closing my legs, this is how I look. This is it. Okay, so from the other side, this is me. So we want it to look more bubbly. Bubble. We want more bubble. We want more fullness. So yeah, this is me. Let me just take a measuring tape. This is in centimeters. So this is centimeters. Oopsie, oopsie, oops, 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 oops. Okay guys, so as you guys can see over here, it says I am on 112 centimeters. That's what it says. Can you see where I've measured from? It says, can you see? I've measured everything. Measured this side as well as this side, and it says we are on 112. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna zoom it in for you so that you guys can also see that we are on 112. Or maybe let me do it this way. So here we are. Can you guys see that? 112, and we will see how we are when we're done with this workout. Let us go, let us go. This is me, this is me, this is me at the moment. This is me. This is me. This is me at the moment. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I can't even twerk to save my life. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Watch with the rhythm.
Over here, guys, it burns like no one's business. But then, you guys, it is hectic, but it's worth it, I think. Because I haven't had a workout that burns me this much, so I'm guessing it works. burn, you'll definitely feel it. We are done with this workout, you guys. Let's measure me and let's see how I am. Was this progressive? Does this work? Are the results good? But I think even if there's no result, I think I'm still going to carry on because I feel like this is effective. Maybe it needs more time. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, let's measure me. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with the Daisy Keech workout, and I'm not quite sure about this workout. At this point, I'm not sure. You guys already saw that when I started this workout, I was between 111 centimeters and 112 centimeters. Now I am, after a week of doing this, I'm now between 114 centimeters and 115 centimeters, like 114 0.5. I'd say that I'm somewhere there. So I'm not quite sure about this workout because of that. Like after a week gaining 2 centimeters, I'm not quite sure, child. Like this workout is painful. Like literally after doing the workout, you can really feel your glutes burning. So I'm not quite sure if I want to do like 2 centimeters on a weekly basis. Bear in mind, I do these workouts in the morning and also in the evening, so I'm not quite sure. I'm really not sure if I want to carry on with this workout. Maybe I should, which means then in 4 weeks I'll gain, let's say, plus minus 7 or 8, plus minus 8, thereabout 8 centimeters. So is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm not quite sure, but hey, Daisy said it works and we have seen a bit of a difference, like 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, somewhere there. We've seen a bit of a difference. I'm not quite sure. You guys must let me know, are you guys seeing any changes in my structure? Because I'm definitely not. I am definitely not seeing any changes, but you guys must let me know. Maybe after doing it for like a month or so, maybe I'll see bigger changes. I'm not quite sure. Let me know if you've tried this workout and if it worked for you. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Is this something that you think you're going to try? Let me know if you are trying it, or if you are going to try it. Let me know how it goes for you. I want to do it. Like I think I want to do it, but I'm not sure if 2 centimeters on a weekly basis is something I want to settle for. I'm not quite sure because a child, this thing burns. This thing, it burns. But we'll see. I think I'll carry on. Maybe I'll carry on, maybe I won't, but I think I will. I'm not quite sure. So anyway, you guys, you have seen the difference. Well, if there was a difference, let me know if you're seeing any difference between the before and the after. So anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. I'll see you in my next upload, in my next workout video. I guess I'll see you in my next workout video. So yeah guys, I hope you have a good day and a good session, especially if you're gonna do this. Let me know how it goes. Hopefully it works out for you, maybe like better than mine. Hopefully. See you in my next upload.